The other day, somebody asked me if I knew how to make the click sounds that they speak in Lesotho, where I lived in the Peace Corps. The name of the country is called Lesotho, and the people are called Basotho, and the language spoken is Sesotho. So yeah, I was able to say the click sounds. I think they're more complicated in some countries, but if you can't say the click sound, you just say the Q or the K sound, in the words I spoke anyway. I know there's more languages that have stronger clicks and more frequent clicks. Anyway, the words that I used, I remember two easily. I remember two. It was the name of the school where I taught. It was called Kudu Primary School, and the big town nearby was called Kachasnek. It was next to my village, and my village was called Mamohau, and another village I lived in was called Matabang. But I taught at Kudu Primary School, and the town nearby was called Kachasnek.